Hello everyone. Sorry it's been a little while since you've heard from us, but we've been kind of busy. We've actually gone back to the US to visit family and also went to the Indy 500 car race, which is so much fun, especially when you're there with friends. We have come back to the Bahamas. We've left the Bahamas on a very rough passage where we had a very special guest, and we are now here in the gorgeous Wrightsville Beach. Now, another thing that I have been working on, if you've been watching some of my OpenCPN videos, you probably know what I'm about to say. My brother and I have launched a new company. It's called MaintenanceROS, and we've made a little something to tell you what it's all about.
Ah, the open sea. There's nothing quite like it. But as any boat owner knows, keeping your vessel in tip-top shape requires a lot of maintenance. From the engine to the hull, there are so many parts that need to be checked and maintained regularly to ensure safe and smooth sailing. But what if you're not a professional mechanic? What if you're a busy boater who just wants to enjoy your time on the water without worrying about all the maintenance details? That's where Maintenance Right on Schedule comes in. We're dedicated to helping boaters identify and track the maintenance required on their boats. Our easy-to-use service allows you to quickly and easily input the equipment on your boat and then provides you with a customized maintenance schedule based on your boat's specific needs. You'll receive reminders when it's time for routine maintenance, like oil changes and filter replacements, as well as alerts for more complex tasks like checking the propeller and rudder. And the best part? Everything is completely customizable. You can add or remove tasks based on your individual boating habits and preferences. With our help, you can spend less time worrying about maintenance and more time enjoying the open sea. So if you're a boat owner looking for a better way to keep track of your maintenance, try our app today. We're here to help you sail smoothly and safely.
Hope you enjoyed that little explainer video. It was a lot of fun trying to come up with that. We have also been working on new features like checklists. We've got default checklists you can use if you're hauling out your boat, leaving on passage, all those fun things. We've even got a to-do list feature for all those kind of small projects that you eventually need to get around to. We've also been trying to expand our database of marine equipment, all the maintenance that's required, all those things. Now, we're always looking for help, so if you're willing to log in, tell us what you've got in your boat, use the code OUTCHASINGSTAR, so get 20% off for 6 months, and let us know so we can continue making this as useful for people as we possibly can. Now, I do have more Out Chasing Stars videos planned. We have collected a lot of data from our time in the Bahamas, kind of how all of our refit projects have worked out, and I'm summarizing that. But we're going to tell you what things are worth it, what weren't, what we do differently, all those fun things. So stick around. We'll come back to you again with all that info. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.